Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know how can you check your PlayStation's wallet balance. In order to check your PlayStation wallet balance, first of all log into your PlayStation account. Next, on the PlayStation home screen, select Store. On the PlayStation Store, you simply want to head over to the right hand side corner. You could see this three dot icon, right? You have to click that out in order to expand for more options. As you do it so, you'll then be able to see a pop-up menu. So here you could see, so when you click on the three dot icon, at the top of the page underneath the username, you could see wallet balance, right? This is considered to be your wallet balance. If you want to check that out in other way, then you could also go to transaction history or maybe payment method. There as well, in either one of these options, you should be able to see your balance. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.